Is that the kind of way to face a burning heat? Just think about my baby. I'm so full of love I could barely eat. There's nothing sweeter than my baby. I never want ones from the cherry tree. My baby, sweet as can be. She gives me two days just from kissing me. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down, crawl on to earth. But when my baby found me, I was 3 days on a drunken sin. Broke with the walls around me, in a room but an empty grave. I was burning up a fever. I didn't care much how long I lived. I swear I thought I dreamed her. She never asked me once about the wrong I did. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down, I'll crawl home to earth. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down, crawl home to earth. My baby never fret none about what my hands and my body done. If the Lord don't forgive me, I still have my baby and my baby would have me. And I was kissing on my baby, and she put her love down soft and sweet.